Getting started on YouTube, raising the channel to the first and most difficult step of 1,000 followers and 4,000 public hours is not at all easy. At the first moment, the views may start, and in a short time, 100, 200, 300 viewers may start to follow you. However, after a while, you either stand at that number for a long time or the channel simply stagnates. Do not lose hope or motivation. Your time will come, be sure of that, but you have to make sure for yourself that you have definitely decided on these paths. So, let's go. Welcome to Interesting Facts channel. My name is Esman and I am coming from Bosnia. These videos will help us to understand YouTube algorithm for small channels, so we can grow up in very short time. This is the first video we are making with the goal of defining the essential steps for raising a channel, perfecting successful work on YouTube, and ultimately the beginning of earning a large amount of money. The first steps that you are, I am sure, all familiar with: the name of the channel, defining the content of the channel you want to deal with. Maybe you have wishes or you are simply an expert in some sphere of life, blah blah blah, we can simply skip that part. If however, there are a number of you who want to deal in detail with the name, information of the channel, the content and the concept of the channel, how to make a channel at all, you can write in the comment below and based on your wishes we will make a video and have fun with that topic. Now I please you, in order to raise the channel and bathe as many people who will be part of this family, squeezing that subscribe button, and also this video content to share with your friends who they may have a desire to go the same way, or they started on the tracks of YouTube, but stopped because they don't see the results of the work. The first step is cooperation. That's right, cooperation with people who have a channel with a smaller number of followers. Talking to people who are on the same level as us, sharing experiences, learning new things, counseling, receiving advice. This step was first learned and accepted by probably the largest YouTuber that exists in the world today, Mr. Beast. Listen to this very carefully now. He has been working on video content for 5 years, a fully 5 years without a single view. You heard right, 0 views and 5 years of work. But Mr. Beast remained consistent with his goal and decided to share his knowledge, experience, learning and repetition with a portion of his friends. After that, after a very short time, his channel simply exploded and YouTube's algorithm literally pushed him into every search content, and he reached with each month and with astronomical earnings, $1 million within a month flowed into his account. The second step is to know and understand the so-called SEO system, search engine optimization. When you post a video on YouTube, he just doesn't know right away which category to put it in, so the first thing the YouTube algorithm does is process the title of your video. It then checks the description of your video, and then the tags you set. At the same time, it enters the content of your video and follows your spoken words. That's exactly what the SEO machine and algorithm do: compile, organize and edit millions of videos a day. When you understand how it works and how it organizes videos, you will find and use the most searched terms and then you will achieve more and more views. And what is the easiest way to learn it? So simply, you are researching and focusing on the topic of your YouTube channel. If it is gaming, fitness, garden maintenance, making certain items, cooking, dog training, keeping pets, compilations of various funny videos, filter the most watched videos and look at names, tags and descriptions. The third step is social networks, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, various forums on a topic that you have decided to keep as the main one on your channel. How can you take advantage of this? Follow what people are looking for, what they are interested in and what they want to learn. In this way, you hit 2 rabbits with 1 bullet, you get 2 advantages. People give you ideas for your video, you immediately start researching and creating videos. And, at the same time you have a high probability that you will get views and reviews, because you can give them recommendation of your content. When people look at your content, they will share your content in their circle of friends, and here we come to the SEO system again. Your video gets views day by day, The algorithm will immediately put your content in recommended searches, so that people will start watching you, and thus, get new subscribers and new views from one circle of people and others, and so on. The fourth step is to connect, associate, comment with other YouTubers who post the same or similar content as yours. You will not impose or spam other channels with your video links, or by asking them to subscribe to your channel, but a cultural and unobtrusive comment in terms of help or advice on the subject of that video will very much affect both the owner of the video you are watching and to viewers who are very likely to come to your channel with this approach to see what you have to offer. Before I introduce you to the last fifth step, I will first emphasize that this is the most important step that each of you must have if you want to build your own channel. So, the fifth step is consistency, perseverance, persistence and work. Today, we all know that we are very short with time. Some are educated and work extra to earn for their education, others work and at the same time looking for additional sources of income. We have a wide opportunity to watch TV channels, we follow literally all the news of the world, we follow social networks. After all, we are looking for some time for ourselves. We watch videos of various YouTubers, we watch a movie, we hang out with friends or family. It all stands and each of us does it. But now that we have decided to build a channel, the focus and concentration must remain on the topic and contain what we want to record for YouTube. If we want to succeed, a minimum of 2 videos must be researched, prepared, recorded and posted on your YouTube channel in 1 week. You must be wondering right away, so how much do I have to work per day? No. I'm not going to tell you how much a day you have to spend working on your video, because then your focus will be on minutes and seconds. Your main guide will be the sources and your skill in the work. Sometimes you will get inspiration and desired content very quickly, sometimes it will take longer. But in your video must be included your full commitment, your energy and your strength, which, rest assured, your viewers will very much recognize. We will return to Mr. Beast again. He has been consistent in his work for 5 years, he has been persistent and constant for 5 years. He has not earned a single coin so many years, and now he is on YouTube's $1 million salary. Believe me, you, me, we, are at an advantage. We know where others have sinned, and therefore we have the advantage of succeeding quickly and reaching the level faster when we don't need an employer. We don't need other people, you will be independent, and you will start earning money for yourself. In the end, we can conclude that there are more steps, factors that affect the construction and success of the channel. But I singled out these 5 as the most important because these steps are repeated in all major world YouTubers, who explain and show in their videos, the themes of making and building channels for each new beginner. Next videos we may create based on your wishes. How to record and make money on YouTube without showing your face. How to make money on YouTube by downloading other contents and posting it again on your channel without copyrights or strikes. How much YouTubers really earn, how many YouTubers there really are in the world with your topic or the content of your channel or the topic that will be most popular in the video comments below. Thank you for watching. I promise all future videos will become better and better, our content will be based on your wishes.